Guys, today we're diving into the budget world of wearable tech with a brand new smartwatch. It's the IDW19 from Fitpolo. I've got to say, it's got some pretty cool features, so stick around while we unbox, set up and test this cool gadget. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and do all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the Fitpolo IDW19 Sports Smartwatch. Yeah, I know, you know what, there are a ton of smartwatches out there that give you all manner of features and functions, but for many of us, we don't want a million features that we will never use, nor do we want to pay for all those features. So if you want to track your heart or your steps and get some important notifications, let's not spend hundreds of pounds or even dollars on something that, well, we're going to be afraid of breaking. Instead, pick up a budget device that will do everything you need, but won't break the bank. Now, before we get into it, guys, Fitpolo sent me this sports smartwatch to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we've got a quick guide, warranty card, and some instructions. Then we have a USB-A to proprietary charging cable. Now, you know, that's my pet hate, right? So I hate these cables, but I understand, I kind of get it. But you know what? That, for this video, is my pet hate, done and dusted. Then guys, we have the watch itself. Now, the first thing I've got to say is that it feels nice and light. Now, I like that, as I already said, I don't want some kind of massive, heavy device strapped to my wrist when I'm working out. I want to know it's there tracking all of my stuff, but I don't want to be conscious of it. Now, light doesn't mean it's not good quality. In fact, this definitely feels well made. The case is nice and the strap is nice and soft. On the back, you've got the heart rate sensor and the charging contacts. And on the side, you have the crown, which has push functions as well as turning functions. Now, the first thing we have to do is set up the app on our phone. So let's install it and open it up. Now, first thing the app asks us to do is to create an account. Now, make sure you use a valid email address because it's going to send you a verification code. Now, we've got to fill in some basic info, gender, birth, date, height, weight, and all that kind of stuff. It's all pretty normal for this type of device. And guys, the app supports both metric and imperial units, which is pretty handy. Now it's searching for our watch, and there it is. We're paired up and ready to go. Now let's take a closer look at the watch interface. Now, the main screen shows the time and date. Swiping down, we've got quick settings like night mode and brightness control, and there's even a flashlight feature, which is pretty neat. Now, swiping left and right shows different menus. We've got health stats, notifications, and even ALEXA integration. I can't say the word because I've got one and it will start chiming in to my conversation. Now guys, the app on the phone mirrors a lot of this information. It shows you your health data, exercise tracking, and device settings. You can even customize your watch face through the app. Now let's test out some of the features. Now the watch can measure heart rate and blood pressure and all of that kind of stuff. And remember guys, these aren't medical grade readings, but they can give you a general idea and they serve as a benchmark to let you show whether you're improving or not. Now let's try the heart rate monitor. It takes a minute to get going, but there you go, there's the result. The watch also tracks your steps and calories burned. I mean, it's showing that I've burnt 2 calories just sitting here, right? So every little bit counts. One thing to note, the screen times out pretty quickly, so you can adjust that through the settings if it bothers you. Now, the watch has several exercise modes. You get running, walking, yoga, and more. And you can start these directly from the watch or the app. There's also a Find My Phone feature, so let's try that out. And there you go, that's Find My Phone. How do I stop that? stop that like that. I mean, it's pretty loud, right? So pretty good. And you know what, guys, that is pretty useful if you're always misplacing your phone like I am. And don't forget, guys, like I said, this IDW9 also supports ALEXA. So let's try another little test. Alexa, turn off the office lights. Alexa, turn on the office lights. Neat, eh? So guys, there you have it. Like I said, even though there's more features on this watch to explore, it has everything you need to track your workouts and general health, along with giving you some notifications from your phone. And it does it all for a fraction of the cost of other smartwatches out there. It's got a sleek design, the app integration is smooth, and it covers all the basics you'd want in a fitness tracker. And guys, at a price of, wait for it, around £40, this is an absolute bargain when you compare it to others. At the price that this is, I can tell you now, it definitely takes the worry out of wearing your smartwatch for every occasion. I'm not going to worry if I smash this up in the gym or out on a run or, you know, whatever I'm doing, right? For £40, I mean, I don't want to smash it up, but for £40, I'd rather spend that and risk that than something more expensive. Guys, I'll leave any product links and any discounts in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Fitpolo for sending me this cool and inexpensive smartwatch to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.